Hello everybody, welcome to Deep Dive Tech. Today we are going to go over the most amazing problem-solving gadgets you will need. Make sure you watch until the end. Kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button. Furniture repair markers. Problem: that pesky scratch on your beloved wood furniture. Solution: these felt-tipped markers fix the problem in minutes. Color them on any scratch, let dry a few minutes, and you're done. They come in a pack with a few colors that easily match with maple, oak, cherry, walnut, mahogany, or espresso-colored wood. They work on everything from floors to furniture. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our future amazing tech videos.